Welcome all physics tutorial class follower. My name is Waktola Balacho. In this video, we'll be discussing on physics grade 9 part 1. To get all weekly published video by this program, please like, subscribe and share this channel. Our title, Physics in Human Society. Under this, we discuss here our topic is definitions and nature of science. Let's come to our topic. Our topic is say that physics definitions and nature of physics. Under this definitions of nature of physics, we'll be discussing some ideas related with physics, especially depending on the modern technology, and the other one is what? The historical heritages. When we come to the idea of these definitions in natures of physics, some modern technological device such as computer, a smartphone, tablet, etc. are what? Some device fabricated by the knowledge of the physics. The other one is what? The historical heritages such as Harar Jogol, Fasilides, Castle, and etc. Let we see the idea of this one about the technology fabricated by this device fabricated by the knowledge of physics, and this is what a modern technology device. This device is a computer. A computer means modern technology. The second one is what? Artificial intelligence. This is artificial intelligence is a device that works instead of human being. And the second one is this is also computer. This computer is a device which is fabricated or generated by using knowledge of physics. This one is also a device which is used for different purposes, and the idea of this device is due to the knowledge of the physics, and this one is also other devices which is generated using the knowledge of physics, and this is also the other one. In general, this about the knowledge of what physics is used for what different to generating different devices which uses for different purposes. The second one is historical. Heritages. When we come to historical heritages, such as from the given this one, when we come to the historical heritages, this is what Jogol. This is Rekhon Churches Lalebala. This is depend using the knowledge of physics which is generated means using knowledge of physics. There is what given. The second one is Harar Wall or Jogol. This is also using knowledge of physics. There is what different historical heritage is what generated. When we come to the idea of what the physics from the given this one, the world physics is thought to have came from the Greek word phasis, meaning nature. From this one, physics is a branch of natural science aimed to describing the fundamental aspects of our universes. This includes what things are in, what properties of these things are noticeable, what process those things are properties undergoes, and etc. From the given this one, when we come to the definitions in the natures of physics, physics enables us to understanding the working principles of car, airplane, space rocket, refrigerator, radios, television, etc., as well as many our daily utilities and tools. So physics has many or plenty uses in our daily life. The second one is what physics explains physical phenomena such as difficulty of walking on the smooth plane and why electric fan rotates etc. This is also the use or the purpose of physics in our daily life. The third one is the physics help us to discovering some of the unknown parts of nature, makes us familiar with what the modern world. Using the knowledge of physics also, we generate different. Physics also help us discovering some unknown. Physics help us to understanding some concepts in our subject like biology, chemistry, geology, astronomy, and etc. In general, physics helps us understanding the concept, relationships, principles, and laws of nature. A person who studies physics is called physicist. In addition to understanding the concept, relationship, principles, and laws of nature, studying physics is a various career opportunity. Some of the fields which is physics is applied, including the fields of what transportation, the fields of aviations, and space science, and the fields of the medicine, the fields of the forensic and the military science, the fields of the meteorology and the meteorology. Today we're discussing on the definitions and natures of physics. When we come to the definitions of the natures of physics, physics help us in the different directions, especially when we categorize the idea of the knowledge of physics by means of what modern technology device, by means of what modern technology device. When you come to the idea of the modern technology device, but that means that, especially as I try to indicate here, this is the modern technology. This is what a modern technology device, which is fabricated using the knowledge of the physics, and this device is used for different purposes in our daily lives. The second one, the knowledge of physics is also uses in case of what historical heritages. When we come to the historical heritages, as I try to indicate or illustrate here, there is what historical heritages such as what Rekhawan Church of Lalibela, such as Jogol, is the uses of what knowledge of physics. From this one, the word physics is also came from the Greek word is physis. Physis means nature, and this physics is a branch of natural science. From the given this one, physics enable us to understanding the working principles of such as car, airplanes, space rocket, radio, television, etc. And physics explains physical phenomena such as difficulty of walking on the smooth plane and why an electrical fan is rotated is also what some the uses of physics. In the other one, we discussing on what the studying physics is help us understanding the concepts, relationship, principles, law of natures. From the given this one, there are different fields which apply in using knowledge of physics, such as what transportation, field of aviations and space science, field of medicine, field of forensic and the military science, field of the meteorology. These are what the uses of the knowledge of physics. From the given idea we discuss here, as I think you have get some knowledge what the use of physics in our daily life, how we can categorize the knowledge of physics using this one is clearly I try to mention here. If you have any questions, suggestions, please write your comment. To get the next video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.